Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Today we will talk about 10 ways to describe bad weather in Norwegian. Being located in Northern Europe, Norway is known for its beautiful landscapes, fjords and other natural features. But when talking about the Nordic countries, you can't ignore that its weather it's unpredictable and harsh. So Norway's western shore borders the North Sea. While its northern coast borders the Arctic Ocean, the nation boasts an 83,000 kilometer long coastline with several fjords, islands, and inlets. Being located between the North Sea and the Arctic Ocean makes Norway susceptible to storms, strong winds, and extreme temperatures. The weather in Norway can be very different from one place to another. Some parts of the country have long snowy winters, while others are usually mild and wet. When the weather is terrible in Norway, it can cause significant problems like transportation problems, power outages, and landslides. Still, people who live in Norway and those who visit often embrace the rough weather and enjoy its natural beauty. Today, we will look at 10 ways to describe bad weather in Norwegian. Regn, 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 rain. Regnet pøser ned. Regnet pøser ned. Regnet pøser ned. The rain is pouring down. Snø, 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 snow. Det snør mye ute. Det snør mye ute. Det snør mye ute. It is snowing a lot outside. Tåke, tåke, tåke. Fog. Tåken ligger tett. Tåken ligger tett. Tåken ligger tett. The fog is laying there densely, a lot of fog. Storm, 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 storm. Det er farlig å gå ut i stormen. Det er farlig å gå ut i stormen. Det er farlig å gå ut i stormen. It's dangerous to go out in the storm. Lyn og torden. Lyn og torden. Lyn og torden. Lightning and thunder. Det er skikkelig uvær med lyn og torden. Det er skikkelig uvær med lyn og torden. Det er skikkelig uvær med lyn og torden. The weather is really bad with lightning and thunder. Hagl, hagl, hagl. Hail. Det hagler store isklumper. Det hagler store isklumper. Det hagler store isklumper. It's hailing big chunks of ice. Kulde, kulde, kulde. Cold, chill, chilliness. Det er minusgrader og iskaldt ute. Det er minusgrader og iskaldt ute. Det er minusgrader og iskaldt ute. It is below zero and freezing cold outside. Sludd, sludd, sludd. sleet. Været skifter hele tiden mellom sludd og regn. Været skifter hele tiden mellom sludd og regn. Været skifter hele tiden mellom sludd og regn. The weather constantly changes between sleet and rain. Is, is, is. Ice. Det er isete og glatt på fortauene. Det er isete og glatt på fortauene. Det er isete og glatt på fortauene. It is icy and slippery on the pavements. Vind, vind, vind. Wind. Vinden blåser kraftig. Vinden blåser kraftig. Vinden blåser kraftig. The wind is blowing strongly. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.